Video part 6, we'll be adding kitchen appliances and counters into the kitchen area. We're going to label this the kitchen area. What you have to do is go up to component, just like we did for the bathroom, and you have to go to load family. When you go into load family, you want to go into Casework, and you can go into base cabinets, and in here you can load cabinets. You can do that. You can go into countertops, load your countertops. You can go into tall cabinets, add tall cabinets, wall cabinets, things that go up above the counter. Or you can go into, if you don't want to just load in separate and design your own kitchen, you can go and do the quick and easy way. For this actual assignment, you would go into specialty equipment, double click. You have classroom, fire protection ladders. You're going to go into domestic, double click, and in here you have your microwave, your ranges, your stoves, your refrigerator, trash compactor, washer, dryer, dishwasher, and then you have these Kitchenette medium and Kitchenette small. We're going to load in the Kitchenette medium. We're going to load in, we can load in ranges and all that kinds of stuff. We're just going to do the Kitchenette medium for now. Maybe we can also take a microwave too. And what you want to do is you want to hold down Shift and click, actually hold down Control. Sorry, hold down Control and select the ones you want. So now I have both of those selected and you can load them in at the same time. So click Open. And now we have overwrite shared subcomponent from the kitchen. Just say overwrite. You should have a your kitchenette right here, medium, and now it puts the whole kitchen. So if I want to rotate that, I just hit rotate, and voila, I have my kitchenette. Now I'm going to move it down a little bit so the sink is in front of the window. So when you're washing dishes, you can look outside. So now I have all that. I do need to load, move this symbol. If you notice that symbol's in the way. So if I move this out, and I can move this right there, now I can move it back. So now I have my kitchenette all in here. That's how you would load the kitchen stuff. If you're going to build your own separate stuff, you would go in and actually put the counters in, put the sink in, put the stove in. If you want to look at this, you can do a quick camera, and let me just show you a quick camera on how to do that. If I come up here to this 3D house and click the arrow, go to camera, and now I'm going to click once, drag it out, so I'm not holding it down, I just clicked once, and if you see the 3 lines, the middle line is the point where you're looking down, and then the 2 outside lines is your view. So if you can see, I would be able to see the entire kitchen from this shot. So I'm going to click again once, and now it takes me to that actual camera shot. Now I can drag this down and make it bigger, and you can see the actual kitchen. Now if I come down here and change my color, so click the visual style hidden button and do realistic, you can actually see what this would look like in color. If you have paint on the walls, you can do all that. Now you notice I have a air here. This window is too low. So I would have to go in and I would click the window. I can come over here and still height is 3 feet. If I went in 3 feet 6 inches and just hit apply, it moved it up. So now my window is okay. I'd probably want to move this one up also. And I would just click it, hit 6, and apply. I would want to move up all those windows because there's another window way over here. So now I have 3'6". The window is perfect. So that's one thing nice about this Revit program and seeing 3D is you can see sometimes where there's errors that occur where the window might be too low or something is conflicting with another object. But that's how you would go into your, or add your kitchen. If I want to get back to the floor plan, I just come over here and click level 1, double click it, takes me back to my level 1. And that is part 6.